So what do you see, Jerry?
Listings for jobs and people looking for jobs. That's great.
There you go. Jerry, hey, you know what? I love it because I didn't have to say anything and Jerry picked it up. So folks, here's the deal. We have people from all over the world, literally, that contact the Academy and say, hey, do you have a certified person that can fit this type of a job? On the other hand, we have people that call up or send an email and say, hey, I'm moving to this area. Do you have anybody that's looking for a custodian or janitor, a technician? I want to show you real quickly how you go about this. It's very, very simple. If you're an employer, and it doesn't matter what kind of business, you click right here. So what you're going to do here is you're simply going to put in your company information, job description, job title, the location. Here's a job type. If you know whatever type that you're looking for, you're going to put in what you're going to start them at. You're going to put in here if you're offering them any benefits. Let's go to the fact that if you're a job seeker, you're somebody that's looking for a job. Maybe you're looking to move. Maybe you want to change locations and you're looking for it in another area of the country. Here it is, same kind of thing. Put in your information, what kind of certification that you have, your years of experience, where you're located, what type of job that you prefer, what your availability is for that job, because all club members will have access to this. It won't be just specific people. Every member of the club will have access to both of these lists.